Yeah, Houston, you play too much. Like, for real. It's pouring. I ain't signed up for this when I moved to Houston. Like, it don't even rain. It pour. It pour here. It don't rain. It pour. It pour in Houston. This is too much. I think, should I go back for the snow? Because I ain't trying to take outside showers all the time. Houston. It's pouring. It's hard to drive in, too. I can never get used to it. I think I'm more used to snow, driving in the snow than this heavy rain because it be pouring. You can't even see. Houston?